In this video I want to show you how to draw a line given the equation of that line. And in a previous video I explained to you that the equation of a line means the name of the line. Just as people have names, and once you know the name you can associate a picture to that name or what that person looks like. In the same way, the name of this particular line is y is equal to a half x plus 3. So I want now to build up a picture of this line, and the way I do that is I look at this number here, and this number here tells me how steep the line is. It gives me its gradient or its slope. And so knowing that the gradient or the steepness is a half, I use the information also that the line cuts the y-axis at this number 3. So I know it cuts it at this number 3. Now, knowing that, I go back to the gradient, which is 1 over 2, and this tells me to go 2 across from the point where it cuts the y-axis. So I go 1, 2, and it tells me to go up 1 from there, and I get to there. Now I draw a line through those 2 points, and that there is the line y is equal to a half x plus 3. So now I have a picture associated with the name. Now I'd like to show you a few more examples of that. Now I know that the line in green here has a name, and the name will look like this. The number in front of the x is the steepness or the gradient, and this number here tells me where it cuts the y-axis. So I can see here that in this case here, this line cuts the y-axis at 3. Now, looking for m or its gradient, I look at the line and I can see, or I can draw a ramp here for example, and this is telling me to go across 1 and up 3. So the gradient B, the number on the bottom tells you how far across to go, which is 1, and go up 3. Now 3 over 1 is 3. So that means the picture here, or the graph of this line, has a name, and the name is y is equal to 3x plus 3. It's telling me that the steepness is 3 over 1, or 3, and it's telling me that it cuts the y-axis at 3. So that's the name of that line, or that's the equation of that line.